Welcome to Crack Crypto with Anamika, and in this video, we are going to be covering what I feel the Bitcoin's natal chart is trying to tell us between the dates of the 23rd of January to the 28th of January, and what is the price movements or general, I would say, the direction of the trends which we can expect. Overall, if we look at a long term perspective, we are actually just waiting in a moment for a market where investors collectively give up and sell in panic, which is usually after a prolonged downtrend, causing a sharp, high volume crash. So, on the 22nd of January, which is today, the sun was conjuncting Bitcoin's Mercury, which means in such a transit, there is going to be information hitting the market very, very fast. What it does to the price is a sudden reaction to news, which has happened with a lot of discussions around the tariffs. So, fast pumps or fast dumps related to the tariffs, moves which do look strong but don't sustain. Now, it is a headline driven day, not a trend driven day in particular. So, what I felt happened today for the 22nd of January, initially, if you look at how the markets behave, was that when Trump cancelled the European Union tariffs, the market did recover a little bit from the huge 2 3 day drops that we have had in the past weeks. But it is something which is not sustaining. Bitcoin is still fighting today on the 22nd of January to go above and sustain above the 90k mark. It keeps on going to 89s again and again. So this is what I'm looking at happening in the market. There is fast sharp positives as well as negatives, but the direction remains unclear. It's not moving in one direction, it just keeps on hovering around the same $3000. Now, on 23rd of January, the moon is aspecting the sun in Bitcoin's chart. So, when there is such an interaction, it usually means that emotions are going to take over in such a chart. What it does to the price is long wicks, overreaction, or fake breakouts. So, tomorrow could look like a positive where the price have moved up quite a lot, but the direction stays unclear. Okay, I do expect the price to go up little bit and just hover around the same area. Now, 25th of January, the moon is activating in 11th house in the Bitcoin chart. Now, the 11th house represents the crowd, the social network, let's just say that. What it does to the price is profit booking, sideways movement, or cooling off after a volatility. This is a pause day where the momentum drops. So, today we did get a little bit positive, but around the same area, hovering around the same area. Won't exactly call it a very positive day because it has been a very news driven day. So, correction from previous drops, that is what we can expect. Tomorrow as well, I do expect maybe the market could go a little bit up but stay around the same price point. Like, there could be positives but not sustainable positives. Now, 24th, 25th are all positive days in the natal charts. Between the late 26th and 27th January, Bitcoin has a Mars conjunction with Mercury. Now, this conjunction is a very, very important one. If I want to explain it simply, Mars is aggression and Mercury is speed and trading. So, what it does to the price is explosive volatility. There's going to be one very strong candle. So, there's either going to be a very strong panic buying or selling, which is high risk, high volatility window where we can get wiped. On the 26th of January, the Neptune is entering into Aries in Bitcoin's chart, and that is why we are not clear about the direction of the market. Typically, when positive planets get placed, we know there is going to be a positive trend in the market and vice versa. But on 26th January in particular, there is a lack of clarity because of Neptune. Historically, whenever Neptune hits the Bitcoin chart, it typically always leads to a big price movement. but the price could be positive or negative. Either or could happen, which has been happening since the last 3 or 4 Neptune transits. We saw huge price movements in October, around the October 10th, where the price completely blew off and completely the market dumped so much in a single day, and so many people lost their money. Now on 26th of January, 11:08 p.m. IST is when the movement is going to happen, Neptune into Aries. So expect a big price movement. When you look at Neptune astrologically, it's basically unpredictable. Unpredictable movement. That is the nature of Neptune. That is why we cannot comment on the side of movement, positive or negative, on that particular day. But expect something sharp. 11 p.m. 26th January. So basically, big market shifts coming in, large market movement day. Yes, because Neptune is unpredictable, and basically the energy is going to be, how did something like this ever happen? Like the first half of the day, or most of the day will be positive, and then there's going to be a huge illusion buster, like could be super negative, unpredictable. Basically a large unpredictable movement is what I'm seeing on the 26th. Now 28th of January, Mars is sextiling to Moon in Bitcoin's chart. This helps the market emotionally adjust. What it does to the price is basically a stabilization after a shock. The direction becomes clearer, and 29 seems to be a relatively positive day. So maybe some correction from the past transit, but the energy won't last long because a lot of negativity is yet to come in February. Entire February, we are going to be seeing huge market dumps and lot of volatility in the market. But I do expect that end of the month in a bit of a positive after a possible dump is what I'm seeing. But what I'm most worried about is the 26th, because the 26th is going to decide where the end of January hits, and that's what I'm waiting for as well. And if you're interested in crypto astrology, follow the account and we'll keep posting more videos.